A swarm of over 12,000 small earthquakes has struck near Greece's Santorini island since late January, raising concerns about a potential larger earthquake. Authorities have declared a state of emergency, deploying rescue crews and putting the Coast Guard and the Navy on standby. Thousands have left the island, schools are closed, and extra medical teams have been sent. Scientists are monitoring the situation closely, but remain uncertain whether the earthquakes signal a major event or will continue at lower magnitudes, the Associated Press has reported. Santorini, shaped by a massive ancient volcanic eruption, remains a major tourist destination.